Shocking news. SEC has deceived court and Ripple. XRP to $85,000. According to the SEC, the documents will support her motion claiming that internal documents related to a 2018 speech delivered by William Hinman, the agency's former director of corporate finance, are protected by attorney-client privilege. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. For the convenience of the court, 10 samples of documents are grouped into 3 categories. Explaining the details of the documents, the SEC noted that the documents of the first category contain drafts of emails from David Fredrickson, the former general counsel of the agency's financial corporation, where he discussed the necessary legal issues of the speech. The second category of sample documents contains an email dated June 11, 2018 from Michael Seaman, Hinman's lawyer, which was sent to Hinman, Fredrickson and Valerie Shepanik, a former senior advisor on digital assets at the SEC Financial Corporation. It is noteworthy that the email from Seaman contained a draft of the speech, which prompted Hinman to seek legal advice from his colleagues, including the legal staff of the SEC's Investment Management, Trading and Markets Division. The Securities and Exchange Commission noted that the third category of sample documents includes a draft letter received by Hinman from Seaman on June 11, 2018, which was sent by the former CFO of the corporation to lawyers in various SEC departments. To facilitate the verification of the court, a revised Annex 1 is attached with the documents that the SEC is currently submitting for verification behind closed doors, the SEC concludes. #XRPCOMMUNITY #XRP #SECGOV versus #RIPPLE #XRP. The Securities and Exchange Commission has submitted to the court for a closed review 3 categories of documents related to its petition, which claims that attorney-client privilege protects internal documents related to Hinman's speech. Hinman's speech on June 14, 2018 became an integral part of the ongoing litigation between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The speech, which many call the Free Ethereum Pass, is seen by Ripple and individual defendants as a mandatory tool for rejecting the argument that the cryptocurrency offer violated U.S. security laws. However, all the efforts of the blockchain company aimed at ensuring that the SEC provided the documents that resulted from the wording of the speech did not yield positive results. The Securities and Exchange Commission sought to protect Hinman's documents despite being ordered to hand them over twice. In a new statement, the SEC said that the document is protected by attorney-client privilege. According to the SEC, Hinman discussed the legal implications of the speech before it was made public, which was condemned by Ripple. Since the two parties did not come to an agreement on the SEC's requirement of attorney-client confidentiality regarding the documents, Judge Sarah Net Byrne invited the parties to a conference to discuss all issues related to the documents. Unfortunately, no decision was made, as the conference was postponed to a later date. Interestingly, the Ripple community is enthusiastic about the fact that the court can force the SEC to hand over the documents to Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, opposed Ripple's proposal to classify one of the documents marked as Exhibit O, in connection with Amici's request to participate in the examination of expert testimony. In a motion filed with the SEC yesterday, the agency noted that Ripple's statement that Exhibit O contains classified, confidential business information does not automatically qualify as a document sealing order. #XRPCOMMUNITY #SECGOVV #RIPPLE #XRP. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has filed an objection to the Ripple defendants' motion to close the copy O in connection with Amici's request to participate in the SEC's expert objection. The Securities and Exchange Commission has stated that Ripple has no real reason why it intends to seal Exhibit O, because its statement that the document contains confidential business information is false. The Securities and Exchange Commission added that the main reason Ripple is trying to seal Appendix O is to protect the company from disclosing a document that raises questions about the defendant's motives in the lawsuit. The fact that the document puts the party in a bad light or harms the party on the merits of the case is not a legally valid reason for sealing, the SEC noted. According to a recent motion, the SEC disagreed with Ripple's sealing decision on the grounds that the court has already ruled that it does not allow documents to be sealed only because their contents are subject to a protective court order, access to court documents. Quote, accordingly, the Securities and Exchange Commission respectfully requests the court to reject the defendant's motion to close the evidence about in the corresponding link in the amicus objection note, the Securities and Exchange Commission concluded. The situation on the cryptocurrency market remains negative. The Fear and Greed Index was at 7 on June 15 and 16, today at 9. XRP is experiencing the same difficulties as the rest of the market, but at the same time it looks much better than its neighbors in the top 10. Over the past 24 hours, its price has not suffered, and in a week it has lost more than 18% of its value. This is much less than Bitcoin, more than 30%, and half as much as Ether, 38%. Another positive point that can be noted is that over the past week, the inflow of funds from institutional investors has demonstrated. Although this amount was insignificant, but compared to the huge outflow of funds from Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is clearly a positive moment against the background of the prevailing negative sentiment in the market. Data provided by CoinShares showed that last week institutional investors massively withdrew their funds from exchange-traded products based on cryptocurrency. The negative outflow of $102 million over the past week indicates a decrease in the propensity for risky assets among institutional investors. At the same time, almost the entire volume fell on the two leading cryptocurrencies. The outflow in Bitcoin amounted to $57 million, and in Ethereum, $41 million. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.